Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monika Blunder, celebrity makeup artist based in Los Angeles. And in today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to share with you how I like to prep the skin before a red carpet event or any major glam session. So one thing I've learned over the years is no matter how great your makeup looks, it only looks as good as your skin looks underneath. So I like to spend about 10 to 15 minutes on my clients before I even start with makeup by massaging the skin and prepping the skin. And I love to lift and sculpt and really bring out that glow. But for that, I need a tool. And the one that I'm obsessed with at the moment is my ZIIP HALO. This is it. It looks like that. It's tiny, it's easy to pack. It goes with me in my pro kit. It's in my personal bathroom. I use it on myself, on my clients, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so to start, I always do a proper cleanse, especially if I've had makeup on all day. First, I use my Monika Blunder Beauty Cleansing Balm, which melts everything off so gently. And then I take one of these XL face towels. I get them on Amazon. My son turned me on to them. They're amazing. Soak them with a little bit of warm water and then wipe everything down. And then I go back in with a cotton pad and some Bioderma, especially around the eyes, just to make sure everything is really off, almost like a double cleanse. And then next I use the X pads from Wise Beauty. They exfoliate and brighten without feeling harsh. And at this point, my skin feels squeaky clean. To finish, I mist with the Prequel face spray, which is super refreshing. It opens up my pores and gets my skin ready for the ZIIP HALO. Now for the magic, I apply ZIIP's Crystal Gel first. It's not just a conductor, it's packed with skincare ingredients, and when you use it with the ZIIP HALO, it boosts product absorption by up to 109%, which is wild. Then I go in with the device. The HALO uses dual waveforms, microcurrent and nanocurrent. Microcurrent tones and lifts your facial muscles like a facial workout. Nanocurrent goes deeper to calm inflammation, boosts collagen, and repairs the skin. I usually grab my phone and sync it with the ZIIP app. There are 14 different treatments, so I can tailor it to whatever my skin needs that day. If I'm dealing with dullness or puffiness, I'll go for instant gratification or the lift. You can also use it to target pigmentation, acne, uneven texture. It's super versatile. For makeup artists, it's amazing because you can customize it client by client. And if you're using this at home, use slow upward and outward motions, jaw to ear, cheekbone to temple, under the eyes to T-puff. It's so easy to do while you're sipping coffee or answering emails. Even just one use makes a difference. But if you use it 3 to 5 times a week, you'll really start to see long-term results. Here's a quick before and after. You can see how much more lifted and defined everything looks. That's it, my quick little 10-minute red carpet skin prep. It lifts, it sculpts, it hydrates, and it makes such a difference before any makeup application. Let me know if you want to try out the ZIIP HALO. I do have a discount code for you, which is Blunder, all capitals, and you will get 10% off. Also, check out the app. It's super intuitive and it has really great treatments. Let me know in the comments below if you had a chance to try out the ZIIP HALO or if you have any questions. And I see you in the next one. Bye.